Hey, what's going on today, yo faith family? How y'all doing? Hope y'all morning is going well. Hope it's going well, cause I'm finna get it in. I cooked me some sausages. I got some cheese eggs, and I got some rice and some raisin bread. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. How you doing? How you doing? Let's get it in. How you doing? How you doing? I'm just feeling good and blessed today and highly favored. You know why I say highly favored? Because God put breath in this body this morning. And this cheese egg and this rice is good. It's all good. And that's it. And this cinnamon raisin bread. I cooked it on the top of the stove. And these are some beef sausages. It's not so bad outside. No, it's cold, but thank God it's not snowing yet. I don't have to get out there and shovel. Thank God for that. And I got me some ginger ale. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Ooh, this acid. It be hitting that spot. Ooh. Y'all hear that? Y'all can tell it hits the spot. It cleans a sister throat, everything. Gas. It all comes up. Oh boy. I'm not like home cooked breakfast. My girlfriend treated me out this past Saturday, and we went to around the clock. And I had to send back I had got a Denver omelet. I had to send it back. Trying to make it over again. It still didn't make it right. So when you go out to restaurants, it be hit or miss. It be what it is, what it is. And you know how your food gonna taste when you cook it at home, because you cooking it. Oh Lord Jesus. I put a little salt and pepper. I like cheese in my rice. So I put a little cheese in there. Hopefully, Light Bright will get her butt on my channel. But she be working. So she be tired. Mama, I don't feel like it. I'm going to get on here. This cinnamon raisin bread is good. I put a little butter in a skillet, and I toast it a little bit on top of the stove. I don't like using toasters. I like cooking it myself. Ooh. Ooh, I tell you about these burps. They be hitting. And they feel so good when they coming up. Yes, they do. I know y'all say, ooh, it's nasty. And everybody do it. It's all natural. You know, it's just how you do it. Everything, you don't want that stuff staying up in you. Because them farts, they stay up in you, you're going to have a problem. So just think if we don't never pass gas, what's going to happen? It should build up around your heart. Next thing you know, you're having a heart attack. So you gotta pass it through. And yes, gas do smell. Sometimes you don't smell it, sometimes you do. Them goddamn deadly ones though. Them real silent ones, the ones you don't hear that seep out. Those are the ones. You be trying to play it off. And you be clenching. You know what clenching mean? I mean tightening up the ass. So it won't seep out. But when it come out, it comes out. I remember my mother and father, they used to play, my stepfather, they used to play a fart game. They be up there talking about, who farted? You did. I'm like, nah, you did. Now, whoever heard of this? My mother used to take oatmeal, drain it with sugar. Man, take it, put Suzy Juice in it. Yes, she did. Boy, we used to tie that shit up, too. It was good. She do that with her beans, too. She loves sugar. I can have some sugar for a whole year. I am. My mother come out here, woe beyond. It's gone. She put sugar on everything. Mm-hmm. Well, I tell y'all about relationships and these men. I just had a girlfriend. She called me up panicking. She met this man. He invited her to his house. She had a good time, she said, with him. They was having a good time. They fell asleep. Woke the hell up, and it was a woman standing up over her. I ain't lying. This happened the other day. She said the woman came at her calling all type of names. The man didn't let her know that he was living with somebody. And this woman that came in, that was some goddamn fatal attraction shit. Or mystery solves, whatever you call it. Because my girlfriend could have lost her life. And the man just laid there on top of her. She pushed him off. The girl muffed her, and she beat the hell out of that girl. That girl running around. Then the girl had grabbed a knife. And the guy had held her. My girlfriend was able to get out. But she on her panties and bras standing in the hallway trying to put on her clothes. And the neighbor seen her. That's a damn shame. Then the girl had put some goddamn spaghettis in her boots. Just telling y'all gotta be careful because these men lie too. They said they ain't staying with nobody. The woman be at work. Especially if you work at night. And so you know a woman coming off in there. And you never know when that person gonna get off of work. If they gonna get off early or what. And you land off in there. You don't know, and these men be lying. Because this man lied. Said he ain't had nobody. See? Pays. You gotta get to really know a person. You gotta get to know him. Because if you don't get to know him, you don't know what's in store. Have to be careful. Really do. So much. So much. Much. Crazy City. It don't pay to sneak. It don't pay to freak. Pay to cover up too. If you don't cover up, ass it don't got that package. That's when you know. You think you got a cold. And then it turns to the flu. Go to the doctor. You HIV. Or you can shave down there. You know how, excuse me, get the kids out. You know how we shave hair down there. Hair off. Shit, you get it figuring you got a hair bump. Shit turned to a blister. And you got herpes. This shit is real. I had a friend that worked in the hospital. And you say it's so many people coming there with herpes. And they say herpes is common now. It's nothing. Back in our day, if a motherfucker give you herpes, you gonna have to kill him. Can you imagine breaking out in warts? I can imagine that shit right there. Or getting big old black spots and stuff all over your skin. All because you want to have some fun. Some fun in the sun. Or he find his wine. Well, she look good. Ain't nothing. You gotta be really careful. I'm telling you, it's real. People don't think it's real. But it's real out here. Just cause a motherfucker look good on the outside, you don't know what the hell you getting yourself into. A lot of times, them be the ones. Just don't know. You don't know. That's why you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful who you lay down with. Who you let stick you. Gotta be careful. Can't just go around here willy-nilly or willy-dilly. Can't do that. Then you don't know a motherfucker be crazy. I had my cousin. He's been out, I think, about 3 years. She had posted. One of her girlfriends had met this guy. Known for a couple of months, dating him, trying to leave him alone. Riding in the car on the expressway. He blew her head off. And turned around and killed him. My cousin said the girl had signs. She had signs. Not to mess with him, but she ain't paying no attention. By the time it was too late, it was on and popping. He took her life and then took his. It's real out here. Best to believe. That's why as you get old, you're supposed to get wiser, not slower, not dumber. Everything that looks good ain't good for you. Sometimes it's a price to pay when you fuck around with certain people. You have to be more careful of your surroundings and who you mess around with. You have to. Because you set yourself up for failure. It's a down sprout. See, that cloud floating high. All the way up there. That motherfucker got a deep ass hole in it. And that drop, it's just as long. And you be wondering, how in the hell I get here? How I hit the bottom of the floor? I'm telling you. Just words of wisdom. Just be careful about things that you go through in life. And y'all young girls and boys, please listen to your mamas and daddies. If your mama tell you something, please listen to her. Because mothers have intuitions. Please listen. Stop saying you know it. You know everything. I know what I'm doing. Leave me alone. I got this under control. Mind your own business. When your mama tell you something, you got to listen to her. Because she knows what she's talking about. Please. Please believe. Please. And you young men, y'all listen. Pay attention. When your mama and your grandmama tell you about a female, listen. Because she can see it coming before you can. And they ain't going to tell you nothing wrong. It's just a mother's and a grandmother's instincts that come over us. But until later, I love y'all. Y'all know y'all going to see me later. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you're thinking. What you think about what I talked about today. Give it to me. Subscribe and hit that notification button. And I love y'all. And be safe out there now. See y'all later.